Sci-fi colonies become believable when futuristic structures are carefully integrated into natural landscapes rather than floating randomly in space. Today, how to design photo-bash sci-fi colonies. Open Photoshop and create a wide canvas around 3800 by 2100 pixels with a soft sky gradient background. Import a rocky desert or alien terrain image and stretch it across the lower portion of the canvas as your environmental base. Now, drag in futuristic building images or industrial structures and place them across the terrain on separate layers. Resize foreground buildings